Hey there, Money Magician. Welcome back to Financial Whiteboard World, where we're about to tackle common challenge, breaking bad spending habits. Are you ready to transform your financial habits and level up your money game? Let's dive in. Our first tip, comfort your spending. Like a detective solving a case, it's time to analyze your spending pattern. Track your expenses, identify problem areas, and become the Sherlock of your finance. Moving on to tip number 2, create a realistic budget. Superhero cape, guiding you through financial challenges. Craft a budget that aligns with your goal, leaving no room for unnecessary spending villains. Next up, emergency fund essentials. Imagine it as your financial safety net, ready to catch you when unexpected expenses strike. Building an emergency fund shields you from the unexpected and prevents reckless spending. Tip number 4, set financial goals. Think of it as navigating with your transform with the treasure map. Define your goals, both short-term and long-term, and let them guide your financial journey. A clear destination keeps you on track and reduces impulsive spending. Transitioning to tip number 5, practice mindful spending. Picture each purchase brushstroke on a canvas. Mindful spending means being intentional with every stroke. Pause, evaluate, and ensure each expense contributes to your financial masterpiece. And there you have it, 5 powerful tips to break those bad spending habits. If you found this insight valuable, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in a comment, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until our next financial adventure, keep sketching those smart spending habits. This is Financial Whiteboard World.